How to create an array containing 1 to a higher specified number. I'm looking for any alternatives to the below for creating a JavaScript array containing 1 through to n where n is only known at runtime. To me it feels like there should be a way of doing this without the loop. In ES6 using array from and keys methods. Shorter version using spread operator. Start from 1 by passing map function to array from, with an object with a length property. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.